2019 VW Beach DSG. Additional door skirts, Devonport wheels on a 17-inch. Privacy glass. California rear lights. See the electric socket. Folding door mirrors. Super clean. Like new. Seat covers since new. So these are the original. Seat covers have been removed. Adaptive cruise. This model's been fitted with the full media package, but also comfort pack, driver comfort pack, passenger comfort pack. So here you have electric, heated front seats, dual climatic control, air conditioning, so we can change the heating on either side, or aircon on either side, and you can also sync them. Media face, so this be a gearbox, and then importantly this vehicle is factory fitted diesel blown hair, easy to set, and also comes with remote control fob, so the heating can be operated from the bedroom area, no issues. Into the rear, table's already set up at the moment. Popping the top up, you can see the height inside. Again, all the seat covers are like new, as this vehicle had protective seat covers fitted from day one. This vehicle also comes with the storage box, which is very handy as it contains all of your bits and bobs, your cutlery, pots, pans, in addition to the pull-out drawer, which is obviously standard in California's. We have the 240 volt and the 12 volt socket down there, and as I say, the front seating all as new, with seat covers fitted from new. Opening the sliding door, there you go. We have manual sliding door, rear entry. In the rear entry there are obviously the standard California chairs, so always a nice little thing to have. out and set up wherever you want to be. In the back of the vehicle, nice and handy. Rear bench for the bed, which is actually removable should you need to make this a super large space vehicle in the back. Obviously you've got your mattress which drops down when the bed's made up. And you can see the table set up. Also, and importantly, rear climate control for passengers when travelling. So full climate control in the back. So there you have it. VW Beach 2019 in very, very good condition, ready to go. If you need any more information,